What's up? Today we're working on the C10 again. Gonna install the, what is this shit called?
Front hubs.
Sure.
No way.
Ooh, got a little splash. Installing the front disc brake conversion kit from POL, Performance Online, on this 66 C10.
No way.
What? We already did the other side. So now we have like 8 inches of space here to work. Gonna pound this one out, so let's shut up. What do you say? Time lapse?
Time lapse it is.
Got everything out?
Yep, putting the new ball joints in at the lower, putting the upper in, and then hub, and then with those tie rod ends, and then the shock. Bada bing, bada boom, like that. It happens quick.
You look funny with safety glasses on, and you're just saying like single words.
I am special.
What kind of hub?
Can we say that?
Yeah. We can't say this though.
You're really doing it. You want to show him the knuckle?
Sure.
Ow. Do not. Careful, guy. She's heavy.
What am I showing them about it?
Just take it out. This is how she came in the box.
Oh my, it's heavy.
Yeah, she's heavy. Where are your steel toes?
There she is.
You can see we've also got the rear calipers taken off, even though we put them on in the last video. Now we took them off again because we don't have the wheels yet, and we needed to move it. And we also wanted to see how slammed it was with the new springs and shocks that Beau's making a video on. I think it's like a 12-second vid. But she's laid out. So I think we're going to finish putting that knuckle on that side and then throw the wheels on the front after we take the front calipers off. See how she sits. You're backing up.
Are you coming to me?
Going into you. That worked good. God, you're up there. It's just like way up there. I can make fun of this guy. It's not illegal. As long as I don't make fun of your nationality, your sex.
If I bring it up 3 times though, then it's illegal, right?
No, because it's not a protected characteristic. Oh. I can make fun of you for being tall all I want, and it's not illegal.
Can I make fun of you for being short?
You can. You can also make fun of me for being fat. Or not fat.
You're not fat.
Okay, well make fun of me for that.
Okay,
it's legal.
Eat a cheeseburger, you short piece of shit.
There she is. We got her at least mocked up. Got the top 4 bolts on the top ball joint tight. And then got both ball joints through the knuckle with the castle nuts just finger tight so far. I have to tighten those up and throw the cotter pins through. And this arm here is what connects to the outer tie rod goes here and then connects to the inner tie rod up there. Got the spring in place. Just got the shock in place as well. Got to tighten those up, but she's getting there. This guy who felt left out, so he wanted me to show him. on camera.
I feel left out. It was just if you're curious.
Well, I wasn't, so.
Oh, okay.
Look at this beauty. That's all I'm going to show. If you want to check more out, you got to subscribe and come back and check out his videos. He's building a TX cafe.
Yeah.
All right, I'm showing you the opposite side of what we just did because it's crammed in a corner and you can't really see anything. But we've got everything on both sides now, basically. So we've got the new struts on. I think they're like 2-inch or 4-inch drop. It was a weird kit where like the front was a 4 and the back was a 2, something like that. Got the new springs on too, back in there. And then we've also got the whole knuckle. They came pre-assembled like this. But I just took the axle nut and the little washer off the other side, and it does not look like the bearing has been greased. So I'm just going to take it apart and grease it. We also got the tie rods on both sides. We've got everything tightened up now on both sides except these tie rods, and cotter pinned everything. So we just got to tighten this side and cotter pin those. Then we're going to get the alignment somewhat close, the pitman arm in the center, and try to get these so they're, you know, as close to zero toe as possible. And then there's a alignment shop, like, how far away is that?
That's like a 2-minute walk or,
Quarter mile,
30-second drive.
1/8 mile. It's right down the road, like literally on the same street. So we're gonna bring it there to get an alignment once it's all done. And then obviously we still need to hook up all the hoses and brake lines and stuff. But as far as the front brakes, we got those on. So we're probably gonna pull the calipers and throw the wheels on, see how slammed it is. But probably done for today. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one, I guess.
It focused on your left eye the entire time.
I don't have a left eye.
Okay, your right eye.
Okay. I'm winning. Staring contest. Is my vein popping? I feel like it's popping.
Oh yeah, it's popping.
Brain blast!